Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya M and I have a hair review for you guys from ISee Hair. They sent me over their 18-inch kinky curly wear-go wig with an M cap, and I'll explain what that is. So let's get into this M cap. This is the cap without the hair on it, so you can get a better idea. The knots are very minimal on this, and it has maximum parting space, as well as the lace contours to your forehead, so it lays flawlessly. The combs are also removable, and the sides where the ears go, they form naturally behind the ear, so it's very comfortable. So this is the engineering of the cap, and it's flawless. Since they sent me over some goodies as well that came with the wig, along with some extras in case I need to replace anything. But this is the unit right here. This kinky curly wig. I really love the curls. They're super soft. I was really surprised by the texture. And this is the wig up close. It is pre-plucked. The knots are pre-bleached, and the lace is already cut for you guys. It does come with an adjustable elastic band, as well as 2 combs behind the lace, a comb in the back, and this curved part goes behind the ear very comfortably. So let's go ahead and install her. She's super easy. The lace closure is 9 by 6. It has ample room for parting space, so you can do styles with this unit just like you would do with the lace frontal, with the convenience of a closure. But this wig was so easy to just throw on, and the lace absolutely melted right from the start. I didn't have to like finesse it or anything, but I did add a little extra foundation. I always go like a shade darker than my natural complexion. This helps to tint the lace, and it just ends up blending seamlessly. So after I tinted the lace, I wanted to go ahead and define the curls. So I'm going to take some water and just spray that on each section. I'm going to do this in sections, whatever amount of sections that you're comfortable with. I think I just did it in like 3 different sections, but I doused the hair in water and I brush her out. When I tell you guys, when I went to go brush out this wig, look at that. It just went straight through from, and you're not supposed to comb like curly hair like that, so don't do that. But I just went from the top down and the brush went straight through. It was so easy. These curls were super soft, and I'm just in awe of the quality of the hair on this wig. But after you brush it through, you just spray a little bit more water on, and then you take some foam setting mousse or setting foam, and just rake it through with your fingers. This will help to give the curls definition. And when I tell you, once these curls were defined, I was like, whoa. This hair, like these curls, I absolutely love curly hair, and I just felt so pretty with the curls defined after I went ahead and like brushed it through. Like, oh my gosh. I'm looking at it, and like even like from root to tip, like look at my facial expression. I'm just like, wow. From root to tip, the hair just looked, the curls were just so defined. There was no frizzies, there was no snags. There was the curls on the end. It gave that little spiral. You know how sometimes you get a curly wig and it just ends up looking shaggy on the ends? This one had the cute little spirals, like the hair was like already pre-treated and pre-cut and just cut into this beautiful style. By the way, guys, I did have the 18-inch. I'm only 5'2", so 18 inches does come down long on me. Some, if you're taller, of course, it's just not going to be, you know, as long. But hey, they do have more links available for you as well. So yeah, after I define the curls, this is what it looks like. I will show you the hair like once it dries, but this is the curls like semi-wet. The hair moves, it's just doesn't go anywhere. This wig is not going anywhere, and she's still completely glueless. And I think I contribute that to the cap. I'm really impressed with this cap, and I will go into more of that towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is the parting space. You have a lot of room to do styles. You can even turn the wig to where if you want to do like a deep side part, but I just went for the side part. I really love a side part wig, so this is just my style. And it's so beautiful. I felt so beautiful with this hair at the end of the day. Yeah, this is the hair dry and it held its form. The curls are still gorgeous. I highly recommend this unit, and I will go into my thoughts and opinions at the end of the video and talk more about the M cap. But thank you guys for watching. Please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video and want to see more videos as well. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll post more videos or more TikToks and more photos of me in the wig. Hi guys, so I hope you love that install / tutorial for this ISee hair kinky where to go or kinky curly where to go M cap unit. And I really wanted to zone in on what the M cap is, so they did send me an extra one so you can see the specifics of it. So it is an M cap. This is what it looks like without the hair. It has the mesh, the very thin lace that's already pre-cut. It comes with an elastic band, and this is the perfect part right here. It is the dip so that it sits behind your ear perfectly. I know you hate when you get a glueless wig and you have to kind of like fiddle with it behind your ear so that it's comfortable. This is just perfect by itself. So I am so glad that they sent me over another one so that I could show you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's very comfortable. I feel like it would fit for every hair type. Not hair type, I'm sorry, head size. Because it's stretchy in the back as well as it has the combs, 2 behind the lace and then 1 in the back. This hair is super soft. I was really impressed. I received a lot of curly wigs to review, and they're kind of a pain to brush out and style. But as soon as I drenched the hair in water, the brush just went through. As you saw, the brush just glided through. So I was really impressed with that as well. And it's just a great easy install. Like when you're hot, it's kind of like, especially for like the summer when you're hot, you don't want to have a wig glued to your head. So these glueless wigs are perfect for the summer coming. They're perfect for a vacation. Just, you know, I'm bringing them to you guys. And ISee Hair is definitely one of the brands that I would go to for glueless wigs to purchase. But yeah, I really hope you love the wig. The link will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.